Hi.
Hi.
My name's Harry.
My name's Dr. Pepper.
Are you sure it's not Tizer?
It's Dr. Pepper.
Hot dog. Ah! You're trying to eat me
Your
alive.
hair's falling out.
Sorry. Oh yeah. I see how it is.
You're a bit hairy.
Oh God.
People of the
I'm
world, my name's Dr. Pepper.
bumbled. My name's Harry. Oh, you're stroking my foot with your foot. I don't like feet. I've decided I don't like feet.
Feet are awesome. And when you do
Make
things
them
like
dance.
this. Wee.
Ah, you're touching my foot, man. Ah! Ah!
What's happening?
So, wonder why humans have put us near a camera for?
Because they're species.
Let's get married. Oh God.
I've got hair
I've got
down below.
no. It's hairy, man. It needs a shave.
Well, bugger.
3 minutes up yet?
Nope, still got a minute to go. Feed.
Hot dogs.
One egg. Feed.
Nick your hair. So
Phoebe, you sure you want my babies?
I thought that was my baby, bitch. Obviously not.
Jedward!
Woo! Where's your foot?
Here.
Oh God.
No!
Good. We amuse ourselves too much.
No, we just don't leave the house enough.
I think people think I'm dead. I don't leave the house. You're beatboxing on my foot.
This is probably not the best thing to put on YouTube.
No, it's not.
But I've definitely got to do the eating thing at the end of one of them.
Where's your foot? You need your foot. Foot! Oh, it's gone 3 minutes. We don't need our foot. It's still recording.